Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is LadyVintageBags here, and I'm coming at you today with my very first unboxing video. Now if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So I'm really excited. So this is my package that I got from DHL, and I bought this from eBay from a Japanese reseller. So let's get into it. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, so you can see what brand it might be peeking through there. You see a dust bag. Okay, so here we have a very vintage LV dust bag here. Let's just open this up. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, look at that. Just going to take a look at it. So let's open her up. So some of you may be thinking, yes, I recognize that bag, I know what it is. And some of you may be thinking, what is that bag? I've never seen it before. So this is the Vintage Louis Vuitton Friedland handbag, and this is in the epi leather in the Kenyan fawn color. So as you can see here, it's got really distinctive circle around the turn lock. I'm just going to open her up, bring out the straps. Now this bag was not ranked in the best condition. Okay, and then we have the straps. So it's a long strap that's adjustable. Now the strap was part of the problem in terms of the condition. So this is an adjustable strap. So it's got these two gold knobs here. And then you can make it into a shorter strap bag. So I'm just going to leave the bag in this shorter strap format for the rest of this video. So this bag I paid $450 US for, and that was including shipping and taxes. So that worked out to be about 585 Australian dollars. Now part of the condition, or the problem with the condition of this bag, was the strap. So I don't know if you can see here. So this part of the strap is really thin. Probably from being bent for too long. So I'll just undo that again to show you. Okay, so you can see here, it's got a lot of wrinkling. It feels really rough there. It feels like as if the coating on the leather is coming off. You can see there's issues with the glazing. So the glazing's cracked off, and a lot of wrinkling on the back there. It was described as strap cracked. Now there are cracks on the strap, but it's not cracked to the point where it's unusable. So I can work with that. So you can see there that doing that accentuates the cracks on the surface. But I can work with this. And I'll just show you the other side. So again, lots of wrinkling there. It's really rough and bubbled. There's issues with the glazing. There's a lot of cracked glazing. And this is the other side of the strap. So again, really rough. But the strap is intact. So there's the glazing issues there. But the strap is intact and still functional, so that's what really matters to me the most. So actually I might not have it in that short strap configuration, and I might just leave it in this long strap configuration so I'm not messing with those fragile parts so much. Don't want to make them any worse than they already are. Now, another problem with this bag is that it was described in terms of smell as smell of stink. So I'm just going to give it a smell. Well, it doesn't smell too bad for a vintage bag. I've had smellier vintage bags, like a kind of musty storage closety smell. This doesn't have any particular odor besides storage smell. So let's look at the inside. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Now, the next problem with the bag is the sticky peeling pocket. So I'm not going to show you how I clean this in this video. This is just an unboxing, but I might do it in another video. So if that's something you'd like to see, just comment down below and I can do that for you guys. But the pocket itself doesn't smell too bad. It just smells like the rest of the bag. So look at this beautiful detail on the side here. You can see the LV there. Now this is I really love these sort of contraptions on the side. It's very similar to my Sac Vendôme. Not as squeaky as my Sac Vendôme. And you see similar bits like this on the Louis Vuitton Dauphine. So this is an accordion style bag like so. No back pocket. So I'm really excited to have this bag. I've been hunting a Kenyan fawn bag for some time now. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think this is a beautiful bag? Is this the type of bag that you'd buy for yourself? And for the price I paid, $450 US or 585 Australian dollars. Do you think I paid a good price or I overpaid? So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for unboxing this with me. Have a nice day. Bye.